Flaring systems are used in many industries to burn waste gases before they enter the atmosphere. With these systems in place, flammable vent gases are ignited by pilot flames. Because of this, environmental regulations for flare stacks require pilot flame confirmation to ensure safe operation and that flared gases are being properly incinerated. Operators traditionally use thermocouples for flare pilot monitoring, but eventually they fail from extreme heat, thermal shock, or vibrations created by the flaring events. This leaves the flare control and pilot status records without proper input until they can be repaired during the next scheduled plant shutdown. Therefore, reliable secondary pilot monitoring signals are required to ensure acceptable flare status records. An alternative or supplemental technology is non-contact infrared systems with thermal imaging and pyrometry. These systems are typically installed at ground level up to 400 meters away at a position that enables more than one pilot in the field of view for a more accurate reading. They are designed to endure harsh outdoor conditions and can be installed without taking the flare out of operation. With high-resolution optics and strategic mounting locations, the effects of weather conditions like wind-induced flame movement are minimized to provide clear imaging results. These systems are suitable for many applications and provide operators with a better understanding of how their flaring process is performing, enabling them to make any necessary adjustments to ensure safety, compliance, or cost savings. Lumasense offers two solutions for flare stack monitoring. Quasar 2 is a pyrometry-based system for a wide range of monitoring and budget requirements. It is specifically designed to detect hydrocarbon and hydrogen using either a basic, low-cost switched output for pilot detection, or using a more advanced milliamp span to detect different flame sizes and to differentiate signal levels of a pilot flame detection from a flaring flame detection. The Quasar 2 also features modular electronics for easy access and service to any setting adjustments or maintenance. FlareSpection is a thermal imaging-based system that uses unique spectral ranges, calibrations, and optics to distinguish between the flare and pilot flames, even through moisture, heavy rain, and fog. Since it can detect differences in heat signatures, it is ideal for monitoring multiple flare tips that are in close proximity, as well as for monitoring transparent flames that are not visible to the naked eye or remote CCTV cameras. For quality monitoring, it includes a high-resolution thermal imaging camera with a powerful lens and is paired with the LumaSpec RT software for image analysis and automated monitoring. Once installed at an appropriate location and aligned with a clear view of the flare tip, the Quasar 2 and FlareSpection systems connect to the field network, which then ties into the plant network. Through these connections, the data is continuously collected and streamed to the control room where operators can get a clear view of the pilot and flare status, allowing them to operate safely and with full compliance. The LumaSpec RT software can also be used to log performance for audits, record video for reviewing of historical events, and set up alerts for measurements that may fall outside of user-defined limits. LumaTrend software or other data historians can also be used for long-term analysis of data and infrared videos. For automated monitoring, the data can also be sent to the plant DCS using I/O modules or protocols such as Modbus and OPC, enabling closed-loop integration. For example, if the thermocouples fail or the flame flare goes out, operators will be able to continuously detect pilot and flare status with the Quasar 2 and FlareSpection systems. The engineering display will provide visual confirmation of the heat signatures, and signals can be sent to the DCS to trigger alerts and automatically attempt to reignite the pilot flames. Operators, as well as regulatory bodies, expect immediate notification and automated monitoring of critical safety systems like flares. Lumasense flare monitoring solutions have been installed for over 550 petrochemical companies. Not only do these systems have superior performance with high-quality optics and lenses, but they are supported by Lumasense application experts for optimal implementation. To learn more about our solutions for flare stack monitoring, visit info.lumasenseinc.com/flares.